Today I'm going to show you how to apply filters and special effects in VEED. So the first thing you want to do over here is select the clip that you would like to apply a filter or an effect on. So I've gone down over here. You can see that there is a yellow border around this. If I click on this one, you'll see that there's a yellow border around that. So here we are. So this is the preview of this clip that I've selected. Just beneath that, you'll see three dots. Click on that and let's go to filters first. You'll see over here there are color grading filters. So as you go down, you can actually see a bunch of different filters. Now, if you click on it, it will automatically apply it to your video clip. And then you can also adjust the intensity over here. So you can see there's a little dial. You can see over here, I have applied another one. And as you're going, you can see what is available. Now you'll also get the effects over here. Okay, and another way to get there is the three dots and clicking on effects. So this is both in the same space. You'll see over here, this is what they call a half tone. This is a filmic. And as you go through here, you can see what is available. Let's say, for example, this one here. And let's play this for a second. I'm going to come down over here and look for repurposed. All right, you see there's a bit of a glitch in there. Okay, so whatever filters and effects you want to add on here, literally just select the clip that you'd like to add it to and go ahead and select your filter or your effect, and it's applied immediately.